Hi everyone, Ryan for Scout Campers. Today we're going to talk about safely loading and unloading your Scout Camper. So the first thing you're going to want to do is ensure you're on a flat, solid surface. So pavement, cement, and something dead flat. You don't want to be on a driveway like this. The surface needs to be flat. When you actually get to loading and unloading, you're going to want to start with the front jacks first. That's going to help with the center of balance to prevent any tipping or anything like that. So start with the front and then kind of work your way to bring the camper up or down. I'll just show you here. To use the jacks, they have a cap over the cover to prevent any dirt or dust, debris from getting inside this. So this is going to be for your drill. You put it in here, raise or lower the jacks, and then you also got a manual crank if you want to get a bicep workout. This is the way to do it. I prefer the drill. When we go to the side of the Scout Camper, all three models have the storage compartment, and we got some nice new latches on these 2023. So check those out. Opens up. And then when you're going to look for your drill bit adapter or your manual crank, on all three models, they are stored right at the front of the compartment on the passenger side. So if you get home and you want to store your camper, put it on the truck or take it off, your adapters and your crank handle are right inside your cubby, right at the front. But then also when it comes to storing, you want to ensure that the camper is on the lowest point of the jack. So when you take it off the truck, and the truck's out of the way, you want to bring the camper down to the lowest point of the jacks, and that's how you're going to store the camper, is as close to the ground as possible, and you are set. Talk soon.